Back when I first heard about cancer, I was 14 years old, and a medical student showed me cancer through the microscope. He pointed out that those were cancer cells, and what caused them was a mystery. It was a mystery, and that made a great mark on me. And what's happened in the last 25 to 30 years is that cancer, in many aspects, is no longer a mystery.
You are 1/3 less likely to die of cancer than you were 15 years ago. And that's because the development of science has been feeding into this over 50 years. You can give the best care right now, but you can develop the best care for the future.
So the story starts, I think, with the National Cancer Act of 1971. And one of the things the National Cancer Act did was provide for the creation of these National Cancer Centers of Excellence that would be NCI designated. University of North Carolina applied for one of these designations and was one of the first institutions to achieve NCI designation.
Lineberger was one of the early cancer centers to form, not just around the cancer treatment we give today, but developing the treatments of tomorrow. Every anniversary like this is both a celebration and spurring us to do even better. Research at its fundamental is discovery of new knowledge. So that may mean in the laboratory with a Bunsen burner and a beaker and a pipette. But research is also taking that drug into the clinic and seeing if it actually helped.
As you interface that data on that piece of the puzzle, the questions that one is trying to answer comes into focus a little clearer.
Look at what I could do when my lab started in '75 and what my lab can do now. I don't say this lightly. It is light years different.
The innovation is sort of constant. It speaks to what an exciting time in general this is for cancer research, and the Lineberger is really a prime driver of that innovation.
We create knowledge here in North Carolina that is exported to the world.
It is the best of the best. It is here to serve the people of the state of North Carolina.
That commitment to the state has been there literally from the founding of the hospital. It created a beautiful space with warmth to treat a disease which we were fighting to make sure that people didn't think of cancer in a silent way and hide it.
We have a huge population sciences component, which is all about taking the things that we know or the things that we're learning and making sure that they're disseminated around the state to all the cancer patients in North Carolina.
Our community outreach and engagement has programs and outreach in every one of the 100 counties in the state of North Carolina because we're mission-driven. And we're not just taking care of patients who have cancer today, we're trying to educate and prevent and screen to avoid cancers of tomorrow.
There's still a lot of work to be done in cancer research. That's why the lights in this building never go out.
The Lineberger Cancer Research Center is a collection of researchers all with a common goal.
To prevent it from ever happening in the first place.